Hi traders, good morning and happy new week and a profitable one. How are you? I hope you are fine. I can see that people are sending messages. Muddy Educational Channel, please. We have a new guy here, Nick. He's saying first time here. Welcome, welcome, Nick. I did for 1 week a free session. Let's say I don't know how to say, not session, like free pass to my educational group, and there you can see everything that I'm doing, and also the other people from the group, what they're doing and how do they send analysis, and also how many pips we are doing, also because in the morning I have sent some signals, and of course later on if I will see something else I will give it again. And I said that next week I will do the same thing. I will give a free pass to another 10 people, because I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of people that they really want to learn to trade Forex, but they don't have the possibility maybe to pay some VIP channel, VIP, how you say, signals, or to pay educational lessons. And I said that I should give 1 week free pass, okay? So then 10 lucky people, they are already in my group from yesterday. And of course I encourage you to send messages, like maybe you want to trade something, maybe you want to learn something, maybe you have some questions, and you can ask me, because that's why I have put you there. Also you can ask me here on this live session on YouTube, and here you can see me free every day at the same hour. And we have here free education, plus if we find the possibility we can have some trades together. Right now we have a very strange and difficult period of time, because I can see that all the pairs, they went through a direction, but they went a lot, and I am waiting for some small retracement, let's say, okay? I cannot see a fall right now, but I want to see a retracement. For those that they are new also on the live session right now, they should know that one of my favorite pair, it's GJ, and when I'm doing live session I'm trying to trade this pair, and if I cannot find anything else I go to another one, something similar like GJ can be EURJPY. And again, if you are in some trades, or maybe you want to go in some trades, or to do, let's say, like small analysis, you can ask me here on the chat, and I will give you some advices, and we see together what the market offer for us, okay? Don't forget that today it's Monday, and remember that the market is, let's say, accommodating a little bit, because we start a new week, but I can say that the big moves, I expect them maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, okay? Usually Monday and Fridays I really do not trade, but for example today in the morning I saw some opportunities, nice opportunities, and I said why not, and I did a lot of pips, and also you, all the people from my VIP group, they did a lot of pips with me today. And maybe later on I will re-enter in some other trades, but I will tell you. Iman, he said, I just opened a trade on HFGPY a couple of minutes ago. Let me know your views on it. Okay, let's go to that one. Let's see if I have it here. Why you are not this one? It's, I really don't have it. My God, you see, I cannot trade. I mean, I don't trade this pair. It's, okay, it's this one. and why it's not working. Okay. Okay, what do you have here? You said that you just opened a trade couple of minutes ago, but you didn't tell me if you have a buy or a sell. Right now at the first watch, so it's the first time that I'm looking at this pair, you saw that I don't have it, okay, here on my watch list, but I can say that this pair right now it's ranging, okay? And from my point of view, when a pair is ranging, I really do not trade it, okay? And I am waiting for the price to break either up or down. You should tell me, Iman, if you are in a buy or in a sell. So this is on the 30-minute chart, and if we are going on the 1 hour, we can see that the price is rejecting from this area. So let's say that we are expecting for the price to continue to go up. If you look closer, it means that the price it's trying to go up, and maybe the next move it can be up again. Let's check on the 4 hour. Yes, so it's very simple. If you have a buy, or if you want to have a buy, wait for the price to break this area of 117, let's say 500 or maybe 600, okay? You can wait again another take pips. So wait for the price to break up, and after it's closing and it gives you the confirmation, then let's say you can have a buy until this area of 117,800, okay? So let's say that if we can measure, if you can enter at 500 or 600, you have between 20 or 30 pips profit. This is for a buy, but I can see more a buy than a sell, okay? This is my opinion. And for, let's say, for a sell, you can have your first stop should be here at 117.010, and here could be the next stop. But I can see more a buy, not a sell. It's consolidating, yes. I told you that right now I don't see anything. So if the price is breaking this area and closing, you can have a buy. If the price is breaking this area and closing, okay, giving the confirmation, then you can have a sell. Like this, you can have a look on it, okay? Gold, I have a sell position on it. Let's go to gold. And before going to gold, I want to say to our new friend here that I don't know why you have choose this crazy pair, but you have some other pairs that they are very volatile and you can trade them very well. Like, I mean, imagine it's very simple that you are in the London session and New York session, and think what pairs and what currency pairs you have in the London and the New York session. You have like EURJPY, EURUSD, EURJPY, and so on. So you have all these pairs. Don't try to get other pairs that they really cannot help you, and they are very, very strange, okay? So this is one of my advices. Gold, we can say that it may continue to go up to this area again of 1738, okay? So now we are at 1730, and maybe from here it can do where is my brush? Okay, so if the price is going to this area and it's going to reject it, that means that it's going to come back down again. So in my mind it's like a double M, okay, double top. I like to call it an M, okay, so it's from my name Madi. and it means that the price will reject and it will come back down again. Okay, I don't know why you took a sell position, because if you look right here, this is on the 4-hour, this candle rejected a lot. Okay, so it seems like the price is pushing higher. It closed also the last hour, the last 4-hour candle, it closed above this support. Okay, and also here we have this situation right here, also these two candles rejected, and so on. So it is logical when you see that a price it's closing above and it gives you the confirmation, it means that the next candle should continue to go up. And what do you think that it can do right now, this candle? It may fill this one, and usually when you have momentum, the candles, they really fill the wicks. Okay, you will see at what moment that also this wick it will be filled, but maybe this candle will continue to go up and then the price will come back down again, maybe retest again this area, we don't know. But this, it cannot mean that it will do it right now, I mean today. Yes, and in my mind it seems like the price should continue to this area and to fill this wick. Be careful with gold. Don't trade it like this without the experience, because you can end up losing accounts. And also we had and we still have a guy from our group that he didn't want to listen to me, and he lost some nice money, okay, on gold, because he didn't want to listen to me when I had the live session, and I said, please, from here do not enter. Okay, maybe you can enter from here or from here, and he lost some money. Okay, my trade is for a sell. What do you say here? Could you do AUD CAD, please? Where is it? Okay, let me go on the daily on this pair. This one, it seems like, so you have to take it like this when you are doing analysis, also because we have a new fresh week. We can do like this. Where is it? Not this one, this one. So this is on the weekly chart, and as you can see right here, the price arrived to a very strong area where you can see that we have let's say multiple touches. Okay, we have these 3 rejections from here, we have this candle that they couldn't break this area, and another 2 weeks that they couldn't break too much from this zone. The thing is that right now it seems like the price break through this area, it's coming back down, maybe right here it may create like a support. I don't know if this pair will do it this week or next week, but definitely next week this pair, it will continue to go up. That means that AUD will be strong and CAD weak. Why do I say this? Because in my mind, and what do I see, is that right now here we have like a break and retest. Okay, so the price break through this strong area from here, rejected this zone, came back down. Here it's doing the retest, and the next week the price should continue to go up, at least to hit again this area of 0.99940, what we have here. Okay, like this you have to do analysis. Then you have to go on the weekly, so you have the support, and now you're doing your resistance. So this is your resistance on the weekly chart. Going by daily, what do we have by daily? By daily we have right here this area from here, and we have also this zone from here. Okay, And also you can see that the daily match a lot with the weekly. Going by the 4-hour, it seems like right here the price rejected, and this candle it's trying to push up. If this candle is trying to push up, that means that here the price can create a resistance, support, sorry. And it seems like if it's going to close above this, where do I have this line with the dots, okay, right here, the red one, it means that if the price will close above this area, that means that you have to wait a lot. It means that the price should continue to go higher again and to retest 0.97165. Okay, so right now you cannot do too much because you still have another 1 hour and 41 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and you have to wait to see exactly where the price is trying to go. If we are going like this, we can see that we are right now in a downtrend, and we have to wait to see if the price is going to break this area, or maybe it's going to play a little bit in this zone. Let me go on the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour it seems like the price is trying, let's say, doing like a support, and it seems like it's rejecting this strong area that I have put the line for you, where you have the weekly and the daily support. Okay, in my mind it's like we have an opportunity for this candle to continue to go higher, or maybe to 0.96644, what we have here. Okay, I don't know, Saif, or I don't know what's your name here, if you are in a buy or in a sell, but I have shown you how to do analysis and how to mark up your charts before going into a trade. It's very important. If you have, we call it like education, okay? So if you have education in Forex, then it will be very easier for you to go into trades and to become profitable. Plus, you must have the risk management, which is very, very important, because if you don't know how to manage your trades and how to manage your money, then you increase your chance to lose your account. So you want to make money, not to lose money. Okay, coming back to GJ, because I have spoke about some other pairs. It seems like the price is coming back down, and it's trying to break through this area, and I think that GJ, it may, let's see, sorry, I think it may reject from this zone too, and this is on the 1 hour. Let me see on the 30-minute. Let's see how it's going to close. And the 30-minute candle, it still has almost 8 minutes until it's going to close. So guys, if you still have any pairs that you want to trade, or maybe you are in them, you can ask me, and then we can do some analysis together. Let me go until you will send me. I will go to EURJPY. And at this moment I really don't like how EURJPY it's looking, and I think it's rejecting this area. So we have this wick, we have these two candles here that created like a support. It went up, then back down, break through this area. Then right now it's trying to play right here. I don't think it's going to do too much. I think in about 2 or 3 hours maybe this pair it will move, but right now it seems like it's trying to continue to go down. Okay, but I'm still expecting this EURJPY to continue to go higher. Okay, in the I think still has more room to continue to go up, and also for this pair, before going into a trade you should do analysis. This one, it's breaking through the zone. We have here our friend Euro AUD, it's following a channel. Could you do that too, please? You said Euro CAD, this one. No, Euro AUD. This was my signals. Where is it? This one. You say that Euro AUD, it's following a channel. It's simple. When I'm doing analysis, I don't do channels, or I don't know how to say, I really don't use trend lines and things like this, or I really don't use it too much. I don't know how to say. It doesn't give me such a good, how you say, a point of view, you know, to go into a trade. So this is just, for me, it's like an orientation, okay? But I can say, which is very simple, I use only the naked price action, okay? And sometimes I use also Fibonacci and Ichimoku. But right now, I can say that here we have a very strange situation right now, okay? So I'm doing analysis like this. Maybe you have another style, but this is what I'm doing, okay? For me, it's very simple. If a candle is going to break a zone, then it can give me the confirmation that the price can continue to go higher or maybe lower, okay? Right now it seems like here we have a very strong area, and we need a lot of momentum for this candle to break and then to continue to go higher, and maybe to retest again this area of 154,500, okay? Plus, all the time before going into a trade, again, you should go to forexfactory.com, and I think that I have gave you this website, and here you can see all the how you say, all the news, okay? So right now nothing really it's happening. What do you say here? Weekly. Okay, let's go by weekly and see. What do you see here? What channel do you see? My God, I have millions of lines right here. Ah, you mean this one? This channel? Yeah, but... okay, this one and this one. Something like this can be, okay? I don't know, I told you I really don't use trend lines, and also when I give courses, I don't use trend line, okay? I mean, I don't teach them to use trend line, because I like to teach them how the price action is moving. So in this case right here, I can tell you, which is very simple. On the weekly, you put like this, okay? So here you have the support, and here you have, let's say, like a resistance, okay? After that, so imagine that even if this candle, it's looking right now that it's bullish and it's trying to push up, we have the possibility that the price can break through this area, come back down and come back up again, doing like a fake out, coming back on the daily, because from the weekly you have to go to the daily. And I can say like this. So on the daily, if this candle it's going up, it means that also tomorrow we can see that the price is going higher, and maybe to retest again this area of 1.55054, somewhere here around this area. So safe like this, you should do analysis. Maybe you are in the trade, that's why you're asking me. Okay, or maybe you wanted to show me that you saw that channel, I don't know. Right here the price, it's trying to reject, and also here we have like a resistance, and here the price created like a support. Okay, so wait for the best entry for you. Don't go like I don't know, like crazy in the trade. Do analysis. Is very good that you saw the on the let's say the weekly this channel, but remember that this channel at one stage it will be the price will break it. Okay, and if you are looking and trading only on the weekly, then you should stay on only on the weekly. Okay, when you are doing analysis and you want to see only the trend, it's very good what you saw here, but you must have also how you say, the resistance and the support, which is very, very important when you want to trade. Okay, and when you need some confirmations. Pete, hi Madi, how are you? Very good, thank you. I have a buy on EURJPY from 85.57. EURJPY, you have a buy. Right now it seems like from here it's rejecting. Okay, also as you can see I have put my alert right here. Okay, so in case that the price, if it's going to break to this area and close, that means that the price should continue to go down. If not, it's going to reject it and coming back up. So I think your idea with buy on EURJPY is very good, and your target is 0.86. It's here. Let me go on the 4 hours. Sorry, on the 4 hour it seems like okay. To be honest, if I put my little box right here, you can see what I'm trying to say. Okay, like you are in a range zone. The probability for the price to go to 0.86, what you said here, around here, it's higher than the price to come back down again. Okay, so as you can see right now, EURJPY is in a range zone. You should start to understand that when you are doing before going into a trade, start to do analysis and start to mark up your charts. Okay, like what this pair is trying to tell me, where the price is trying to go, where should I put my resistance, where I should put my how you say, my support, if I will enter in the trade, where I should put my stop loss, and so on. So I think, my opinion, you are in a range zone right now in EURJPY. The thing is that the probability for the price to continue to go higher, to go up, it's higher than to come back down. So I think that you should understand that if I was in your place, okay, and trading this pair, could be very simple, that I was trading only when the price was breaking through this area and closing and give me the confirmation, or the price breaking this area and closing, and then I could have a sell. So like this, you should do the same. Wait for the price to give you the best opportunities. Try not to trade, let's say, this kind of moves like we have right here. Be smart. And all the traders that they are watching me, I want you to tell you that you should be smart. And I don't want you to trade this kind of movement, okay? Like up, down, up, down. I don't want, I mean, you are not profitable, because here, if you look at EURJPY, you will see that you have small candles. And I don't want you to trade like this. I want you to be smart and take the big candles, like for example, we have here, okay? So this kind of moves you have to take. Also like this one, this was a very good move. Why do I say that? Because here, if you look closer, you will see that the price break through this support, okay? And also if I'm going to this area, you could see that, let me remove this one. You could see that also here you had like a rejection. The price break through this area, then it was playing higher and higher, then it came back down. Here created like a support, up again, and after that breaking through this area, okay? And when you see this kind of movements, then you should enter, okay? When you see that the price is breaking and closing, let me go also on the 1 hour, and like this I will explain you what I'm talking about. And you can enter in the trade where? It's very simple. Let me go. You could enter right here at this candle, this one. Okay, let me take. You should enter from here down to here, like this. Okay, let me remove this one. Like this. This you have to trade. Okay, like this you should mark up your charts. I will have a sell. Why? Because the price it closing under this resistance, and then you have to go on the higher time frames and to see what I'm talking about here. And you will see that also this candle closed it lower and it break through this zone, and also this one. Okay, coming back to the 1 hour, you can have a beautiful sale and you can catch I'm not talking about catching all this move. You can catch only one. I mean, you can catch only one candle, and then you can be profitable. And also this I'm saying also to my students, you don't have to take the whole image from here, okay? You don't have the experience. It's very difficult to trade this whole move from here, okay? Why you don't take only one candle? Why you don't concentrate in only one candle? Why in this case on the 4 hour you should take this trade right here where the price it's not doing exactly what you want? Wait for the price to break an area, and then you can have a sell or a buy. For example, here again it was a very beautiful buy because the candle break through this resistance, closing higher, okay? And that means that the next candle should continue to go up, where at least to where we have, because all the time you have to look on the left side to see what you have, and there you will see these beautiful wicks. And like this, as you can see, this candle created like a wick and touched this zone. So like this I'm reading the candles, and like this I suggest you to trade, okay? Right now I don't know what this pair it will do. Maybe it's going to play right here, up down up down up down, and you will not make too much money, and you will stay stressed because the price and the pair it's not doing exactly what you were thinking, okay? So that's why I said you should be smart before going into a trade, and not push yourself too much, okay? I don't want you to have a pressure being in a trade, okay? So trade smart. This is what advice I can give you. Another thing is that GJ and with EURJPY, they are a little bit correlated, and I have noticed that when GJ is going up, EURJPY is coming back down. And I can say that coming back to GJ, right now GJ, if it's not going to break this area from here, and we still have 1 hour and 23 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close, it means that the next candle, it should continue to go higher to retest again this 152. So in this case, when GJ is going to continue to go up, then EURJPY it's coming back down, okay? I see we are in a range, thank you. An important lesson. Yes, that's why I said every time go and try to learn new things. All the time we have this beautiful possibility to go on Google and search every day about, I don't know, what interest you have, about the trend lines, about the Fibonacci, about, I don't know. You can find a lot of things regarding to how you say, to learn Forex. Then you can go also on YouTube. You can find traders. You can find people like me doing live sessions for free. And you can learn new things. I mean, don't push yourself in trades and don't push yourself in a way that you can lose money. Okay, I want you to make money, not to lose money. You should tell me you feel amazing when you make, even if you make $10 in a trade, you feel amazing. I mean, I can say that I was so happy in the morning when I made so many pips, when I gave signal and I knew that all the people from my group, they made money. I mean, I don't know how to say, my heart is growing. So I think that you feel the same when you are in a trade and you are making money. So that's why I said you don't have to feel bad or to shake because your pair is in a drawdown, and you don't know what to do, and you are, let's say, you have only stress because you didn't mark up your charts and so on. So I suggest you, before going into a trade, just do your analysis, try to be smart, try to mark up your charts. Don't take I don't know, pairs that you don't know them. Okay, try to trade some pairs that they are, let's say, similar with your how you say, currency from your country. Okay, so my mind, it's like with euro and the USD, and I can play with them because I know something. Okay, and you should do the same. So try to take pairs that they are in advantage and you are in advantage. Okay, don't try to take gold. Gold, it's very difficult. It's a very, very heavy pair, and of course, if you are lucky, you can make a lot of money. If not, you can lose your account. So I'm telling you this, and I'm telling you this every day because I want you to learn and because I want you to become profitable. So if you are in some other pairs, please ask me, so maybe I can help you. This is GJ on the 30 minutes right now. Also, this one, it's like ranging. I wanted to have like, let's say, like a buy, and I'm still expecting for the price to hit this 152 to 150 area. Right now, you see, we are like barcodes and nothing really special it's happening right now, right here. But I really wanted to take a trade with GJ, and I can see also this one. It's like creating like a double top, and maybe this one, it can come back down too. Things, I sometimes try to pick tops or bottoms, a bad habit. Well, Pete, it's very simple, and not only for you, also for all the people that they are watching me and they want to be in my educational group and so on. So try to buy at the support and sell at the resistance is the simple way to trade and to make money. After you mark up your charts, after you have a direction, after you find a trend, try to place your trade, and then you are, let's say, at the next level, because you must know risk management. Okay, you have to know how to manage your trade. If the price is going into a drawdown, if the price it's going into your favor, what do you do with your stop loss, where you should put it? You should have a take profit. Maybe you have more take profits, okay, like 1, 2, 3, I don't know, your idea. Or what time frame do you trade? How much time do you stay in the market? When do you trade, like London session, overlap, New York session, the end of London session, maybe you're trading Asia session, I don't know, there are so many sessions, but you have to know exactly when you are and when you want to go into a trade. you have to find your best position to be in the market. Okay, I want you to take it like a real stuff, like a business. I don't want you to take it like let's say like playing poker, or I don't know, playing this kind of games. Okay, although in poker it's not so easy to trade it, but I wanted to say, don't take it like as this one, it's a game. Okay, so this is not a game, this is something very serious. And if you don't know how to manage these candles, believe me that if you are not going into the right moment at the right time with the right candle, the market will eat you alive. Okay, so you will end up losing money. And by the way, you should know also how much money you should risk. And I tell you that at the beginning you should not risk more than 2% from your balance, because again you will start shaking, because you will see that a lot of you have a lot of money to draw down. Okay. And another very, very, very important thing is that trade with a stop loss. Okay, so this is another thing, and all the people that they are in my group, I tell them this: try to use stop loss, because trading without any stop loss, this is a very bad habit. Okay. At this moment it seems like GJ is trying to reject on this area, and we still have 15 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and I really want to see how this candle it wants to close right now. The 30-minute, it seems like it's rejecting from this area, but I really don't like how it looks. Yeah, it's like in a range, so I'm going to pass GJ, because right now it doesn't give me exactly what I want and what I like. Okay, so it doesn't give me the best opportunity to go into a trade. My opinion is that there is a higher chance for this price to continue to go up than to come back down. Okay, and I think that also if we are going on the daily, yes, on the daily, as you can see, Friday the price, let's say it opened and it closed at the same price, so it means like nothing really happened. So maybe we have the possibility that this GJ can touch again this area of 250 and maybe to come back down again. We don't know. But we should wait to see exactly what confirmation it has. But I told you right now I'm not going into this trade because it looks like it's in a range zone. So we should continue with something else, like for example EURJPY, and also this one, the 1 hour. It still has almost 14 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close and to give us a new direction. So if you want to trade something else, or maybe you are in a trade, then you can ask me too. And I can see here, I'm sorry, I was looking right now because I receive a lot of messages and I have a lot of questions. Then how do you do this? I want to be in your group. How many pips per day? How many pips per week? I receive a lot of questions. So for those that they are new, I suggest you to go and how you say, go and learn, because if you don't, then you can end up losing a lot of money, and I think that you don't want that. Okay. So we should wait to see where this price is trying to go. Until that, let me go to Euro USD. You see Monday, I mean in what I think it's that the movement, it already happened, okay? And maybe the price is going to move later on, but right now nothing really happened. That's why as you can see, I'm coming earlier on the market, and I give signals early in the morning and sometimes pre-London, because I have noticed that at that period of time the candles are moving, and they give me the best opportunity to go into the trade. This is on the 15 minute. Let me go on the 30 minute on Euro USD. And this one, it seems like it's trying to reject from this area, and maybe it's trying to continue to go higher again. So if you have questions, please ask me. I don't see right now nothing to go into the trade, although I am losing a lot of moments because I am speaking. There is somebody in USDJPY buy, or maybe yes, or maybe no. This one should continue to go higher. Let me see GU right now. This is on the 1 hour. Let me check like this. I like also GU. Okay, I like all the pairs with the pound, because they move a lot, and they give you the best opportunity to go into the trade and make a lot of pips. Okay. This is the 4 hour. Let me see 1 hour. It's a very, very strange area, but when the price is going to break through a zone up or down, then it will be very, very nice. Do you think EURJPY is good for a sell? EURJPY right now, I don't think so. I really don't expect GJ to fall right now. And as you can see, we still have another 9 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and it seems like it's closing higher. Okay, it's not closing under this support that I have put it right here. And also, if you can measure, we can have also this one. And I think this is on the 30 minute. As you can see on the 30 minute, no, it's in a very strange area, and it doesn't have I don't know, I cannot see EURJPY right now falling, and it did already, let's say, like a retracement in the morning, okay, when we had the pre-London, and also when the London session opened, the market went up a little bit. It didn't have power. The sellers came back again in the market, and the price came back down again. So it's like right now I see like a correction. If the price came back down in the morning, it seems like the price it has to come back up again to retest again and to make at least half of the fall. So right now I don't see, because also it's rejecting from this area. This is on the 30 minute. Let me go on the 1 hour. I told you it's rejecting this area, and it's closing above this area. Then it may play and come back down to this zone. So you have the possibility that it's simple. how do I see things? So if the price it's going, let's say if the price is going to close under this area of 130, okay, what we have here, then the price has the probability to come back down and maybe to retest again this area of 129,550. And like this, you should see all the pairs soon. If the price it's not coming back down and breaking through this area, then the price should continue to go higher. What do I mean by that? It's that if you're looking closer, the price is in an uptrend, and also when you are in an uptrend, you have to look only for a buy and wait when you have the little retracement, and when the retracement is finished, then you come back up again, okay? So you have these two kind of possibilities. That's why all the time you have these hours and you have to wait them to close and to give you the confirmation. But in what do I think is that the price should continue to go higher. AUDJPY possible sell soon. AUDJPY possible sell soon. If you have momentum, yes, 84 to 185 can come. Let me see on the 1 hour again. This pair, it's like ranging too, okay? So if the price is coming back down, your first take profit should be here. So it's nothing, 84,300. Then here 84,200, and then here 84. So like this, you should see it on the 4 hour. It seems like it's, let's say, rejecting from this area, but in the same time, as you can see, all the candles are closing higher and higher, and you have the possibility that the price can come back down, create like a wick, and up again too. So yes, the probability to come to make this wick, it's higher than to come back up again. So wait for the price to break first to give you the confirmation. IUD CAD broke support, chance to enter. Where is it? It's somewhere here. Ah, here. I have so many that, my God, I cannot. This is on the 1 hour. Wait for this one to close. Okay, wait, all the time wait. Yes, and your next target should be here at 0.95896. In the same time, before going into a trade, look also, you can have this livecharts.co.uk, and here you have like a string method, and it can gives you the details what you are trading. Okay, so this is CAD and this is AUD. At this moment, it seems like CAD is stronger than AUD, so your idea for a sale, it has a higher chance to be completed. Okay, so the next target should be somewhere right here, and wait, you have another 3 minutes. Okay, wait for another 3 minutes for this candle, 1 hour candle, to close. My chart didn't want to move. Okay, so wait for this candle to close. Okay, wait, because maybe the next candle, it may come back up again and to retest this area, because all the times candles, they do create like wicks. Okay, so wait for the candle to come to this area, retest it, and maybe from here you can enter. And if you want to have a very small stop loss, you can place your stop loss right here, or maybe right here where I do have the little line, and then your take profit should be here, but you should split it in 2, I believe, or maybe 3, depends also with which lot size you are using. Okay, but wait for the price to give you the best confirmation. All the time look also on the 1 hour and 30 minute. And the 4 hour, we don't know exactly what the 4 hour is trying to say, because this one, it couldn't close lower this support, and this one, it came and how you say, break through this area, but maybe we have the possibility that this candle should retrace and come back up to this area too. So be careful and try to use a very small lot size, okay? Coming back to EURJPY, we still have 2 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. So I told you this candle and the price can play through this area and maybe doing nothing too much, okay, and maybe coming back up. I suggest you to go and trade the London session because it's very volatile, and right now if you didn't trade nothing until this hour, because also it's approaching the New York session, then you should wait at least another 1 hour, maybe 1 hour and a half, and maybe you will find some movement, okay? If not, maybe at the end of the London session. So you should know all the time when you will have new entries, okay? Let me see also GJ is doing really nothing right now, and I said that GU, look at GU, it came back down. It's also like ranging too. Also, if I will put here a box, also this one, it's ranging. So also this one I cannot trade it right now because it doesn't want to close. Where do I want? So by the way, right now I will not stay too much with you on the Forex market because also I have students, and I will have to start the lessons with them. For those that they want to learn Forex, they can contact me, okay? They can send me a message, or maybe you will find all the details right here on my website. And here you have all the details about everything that I do, like signals, like courses, like also this beautiful system Atom EA. And here you have all the information. If you want some signals, then here you have again all the information that you need, and the payment and everything. So if you need me, I am right here, and you can send me anytime messages or also email and so on. Saif, he said thank you. You are welcome, and be careful when you are trading and put you in a position to win, not to lose, okay? So this I am telling to all the people that they are trying to trade and all the people that they are trying to become successful. Right now it seems like EURJPY, it couldn't close lower. Yeah, but here we have only 14 pips. For those that they want to trade it, it can have a buy and can have the take profit right here at 130. But wait again for the price because it may come back down, do like a retest, and then up again, okay? So if you like this stream, please give a like and share. Share maybe to your friends or some other people that they want to learn Forex. Also, I said that next week I will put another 10 people in my group, maybe because they want to learn more and they want to see how do I trade, and also I invite them on the live session right here, and we can have some lessons together, okay? Right now it seems like EURJPY is trying to do exactly what I said, because right now it couldn't break this area, okay? This previous candle, and this one, it's playing right here. It's like somewhere in the middle, and it has to break either up or down, okay? But I believe that the price should break higher and not lower. So it's very nice when you can catch these candles, okay? When, for example, this candle started, let's say pre-London, this one was a very, very good candle. You see how big it was. And let's see this one, because why do I say that EURJPY? I think it's going to continue to go higher because this one came back down. It's like corrected, let's say, half of this move. And also it closed higher than what we have here, as you can see here. If I'm going to put a line, yeah, right here exactly, it's at 130, then you can see that the price closed higher than what we have here. And this candle came back down. It did like a retest from this area where the price created like a support, and we have the higher probability for the price to continue to go higher, because also we have this rejection, and plus all the candles that are closing higher and higher. So you have to look also all the time at these things. Right now EURJPY, it's continuing to go up, and maybe it's going to retest this area, or maybe it's going to have an issue right now. Maybe it's going to reject from here because the price came up only to fill these wicks. Okay, so you should wait to see what the price is trying to do right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I am waiting for you also tomorrow. I hope that tomorrow we'll have the possibility to enter in the trade. To be honest, I had the opportunity only in the morning, and I hope that tomorrow I will have it too, also to give signals, and also to have some trades with you live, because I like to have trades live with you. I don't really push myself because I already almost did my number of pips. Okay, and I want you not to overtrade, not use more than 2% from your account, to take care of yourself. I want you to be profitable. Come tomorrow too, because you will learn and you will see new things, and maybe we can have again trades together. Okay, so also the other people that they are new and they came and they have 1 week free pass to my channel, they should start to be more active and ask questions, and maybe to send charts, and maybe, I don't know, they should be more active, because that's why they are there on my group, to learn. And if you want to learn all the time, you have to put questions. Okay, so as you can see, EURJPY, it's still pushing higher and higher. I told you it doesn't have any reason why the price should fall, but I told you if the price is going to fall and close under this area of 130, then the price should continue to go lower. But right now the price, if it's going to break this area right here and closing higher, then we should retest again this 130,484. GJ is moving. Well, what can we do? I don't mind if GJ is moving right now, because I did already my move, and I have told you about GJ, my opinion, that why I didn't want to have a look on it, because right now it seems like it's ranging and it doesn't give me any opportunity to go into the market. Okay, so take care of you guys. My God, it's moving right now. Do you have any news or something? Monday, no, we don't have anything with GBP. We have this one, but it's like with the yellow flag, so nothing really happens right now. And sometimes, to be honest, I lose some moves because I am explaining, and I'm doing how you say, I give free education, and sometimes I am losing some entries because I stay in some other pairs, but I really don't mind, because I really want to teach you and show you how to trade and how to do analysis and how to become profitable in the forex market. So that's why also I said that I really don't care right now about GJ, because it's in a range zone, and nothing really do too much. and also it's like an exhaustion right now because the price, it went through a point where how you say, we have to see where the price is trying to go, either up or down, okay? But if it's going to break this area, then the price should continue to go higher. Right now, let me go to the currency strength meter, and it seems like the pound it's stronger and the GPY it's so and so. But okay, you should not take this 100%, okay? Like a signal, I don't know how to tell you. It's just for you like an information. And for example, if I'm going back to EURJPY, I have told you coming back on the 30-minute that this candle, it may have an issue right here, but definitely it's going to fill these weeks. Why do I say this? Because I told you I started to read the candles, and I'm going into the trades only when I am very sure that the price is going to do exactly what I am thinking, okay? I am still thinking that the price should continue to go higher, but if I will have any opportunities, and now I don't see anything, later on I will go into a trade. So if you like this stream, please give a like and share, and take care of yourself and don't overtrade, okay?